I'm not out of battery power. What happened to the cat? Lost my focus on the kitty. Hello, kitty. I'm in the Presidio Golf Course. Sunday, May 3rd. April. I keep pushing the season. This is April 3rd. Sunday, April 3rd, 2011. And this is a cat peacefully sitting right here. And I was just wondering, the minute I move toward it, it's going to run away. It's sort of eyeballing me here. It's been just watching me to see what I was going to do, and I've been standing still. So now I'm going to walk toward it and see if it runs away. Oh, here comes a runner. It's going to run away anyway, isn't it? Not budging an inch. Not budging. Where's that runner? He's over there. See him? This cat is the cat still there? Cat's still there. Alright. I'm moving. Yeah, good luck with that. Alright, let's move toward this cat. See what the cat does. Alright, I'm walking now. Alright, I gave all my food to the 2 crows that I feed back there. They also came close. These crows are getting used to me. Hi, kitty. Just this cat's not budging. It's not a scaredy cat. Sitting here in the evening sun. Hi, kitty. Meow, 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 meow. Hello. Meow. Oh, there we go. There we go. Bye, kitty. Cat sees that I have designs. I'm good. Oh, hide back there, huh? I'm not going to do anything to you. I just wanted to say hello. What you doing? What's that thing you're smelling? Oh, you know what? Cat is waiting to see if I'm a danger. And if I am, I'm going to run into that pipe. Okay, kitty. See, looking back at me. Alright, I'm just going to walk by. I'm not going to do anything to you, cat. Just a curious human being. Meow, meow. That's me. Meow, meow. Meow, meow. Who is that human being behaving like a fool? Meow, meow. Meow. Okay. Alright, I'll leave you alone now. I'm going. I'll go down here. Bye. Oh, you're looking at me. Yeah, I'm not gonna bother you. Meow, meow. It's a feral cat. Bye. Maybe someday. Someday. Walking down this road. Actually getting him. Jeez. See the hear the trill? And then the tail. There he goes. Flying away.